In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward an email in Outlook to a Gmail address. Forwarding emails is a quick way to share an entire conversation, including the original text and any attachments, without having to copy and paste. Here's how to do it clearly and confidently. First, open Outlook. This can be the desktop app or Outlook on the web in your browser. The process is essentially the same. If you're prompted to sign in, use your usual account and let Outlook load your mailbox. Once you're in, make sure you're on the mail page. You'll know you're there if you can see your folders, like Inbox and Sent items, on the left, a list of emails in the middle, and a reading pane on the right in many layouts. If you're looking at Calendar or People, switch back to Mail so you can access the message you want to share. Next, find the specific email you want to forward. You can scroll through your inbox or use the search bar to locate it by sender, subject, or a keyword. When you've found the message in the list, move your mouse over it and right-click. On touch devices, a long press serves the same purpose. A menu will appear with several options. From this drop-down list, click Forward. This tells Outlook to create a new draft that includes the original email content. After you click Forward, a Compose window opens automatically. You'll see the original message quoted in the body, and any attachments are typically included as well, which is helpful if you're sharing files. Now, in the To field, type the Gmail address you want to forward the email to. Enter it carefully and double-check for typos. Even a small mistake can send the message to the wrong place or cause it to bounce back. If Outlook recognizes a contact, it may suggest it as you type. Just make sure it matches the Gmail address you intend to use. At this point, you have what you need. The forwarded message is prepared, and the Gmail recipient address is in place. If you want, you can glance at the subject and the message body so you understand exactly what will be shared. Remember, forwarding preserves the context of the original email, which is why it's such a reliable way to pass information along. That's all there is to it. You opened Outlook, went to your mail, right-clicked the message, chose Forward, and entered the Gmail address. Simple, consistent, and effective.